Hello YouTube. Today I bought the Beyblade Metal Fusion assembly thingy. What's it called? Assembly chamber. And I'm gonna show you how it works. Well, this is where you unscrew this and put your Beyblades inside here. And I'm put it. And in here, you take this off. You put the Beyblade parts inside here. You put it back in and you switch it up, and this is it. So right now I'm gonna build up rock orso and unassembled rock orso. So first of all, you put the face in the beginning, make it match up. There, right? You put the face in. Next, you put in the clear wheel against these things here too. That looks like a launcher end, like this. And then you put in the metal wheel, like you would normally do, over here. And next, you put in the spin track, make here, and then finally you put in the bottom. Make sure the bottom's inside, nice and okay. Then you put in this soup can thing, and there. Then you twist it until it cracks like this. Take it off, and your Beyblade is now assembled and ready to fight. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and rate. See ya.